Meaning of Highness.
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 Highness. Highness is a term used to refer to someone who holds a high rank or position, especially in the context of royalty. The title of Your Highness is often used when addressing members of royal families. It signifies a level of respect and deference. In general, Highness connotes elevation, dignity, and importance. People who hold this title are often considered distinguished and elevated above others. The term can also be used figuratively to describe something that is of great importance or significance.